Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share what's new in the world of artificial intelligence. We'll be taking a look at innovative AI applications and how they're impacting the world around us. First, we'll explore smart robots that can assist humans with various tasks. From healthcare to manufacturing, robots are being used to make everyday tasks more efficient. They can also be taught to understand different environments, with AI-powered technology such as computer vision and natural language processing. Next, we'll discuss how machine learning is being used for artificial intelligence applications in various industries. This includes marketing, finance, and automation of administrative processes. We'll look at how this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses and organizations operate. Then, we'll dive into the world of deep learning. This technology is allowing machines to use complex concepts to make decisions and take actions. This could range from controlling autonomous vehicles to diagnosing medical conditions. We'll also cover the advances in natural language processing and computer vision. Artificial intelligence can now understand and interpret human speech, as well as identifying objects in real time. Finally, I'll provide an overview of the potential benefits of artificial intelligence applications. From improved customer experiences to greater efficiency in businesses, AI-powered technology is making our lives more convenient and productive. So stay tuned for an insightful look into the world of AI and how it's changing the way we live and work. Thanks for joining me.